Hi, this is Absolut Drinks. I'm Rico, and today we're going to show you how to make the Moscow Mule. If you're making a drink with just 2 ingredients, make sure they're the best you can buy. So let's get right into it. We're going to start off by icing up our little cups. Boom, boom. No messing around, straight in with the daddy. Absolut Vodka, original, 45 ml. We're gonna add a couple of squeezes of lime right now. So we're just gonna take the lime, cut some wedges out of that, squeeze them in. And then with your favorite brand of ginger beer, just top up. The Moscow Mule, should we take a test? Ginger to the face. It's a great mule. Perfect for any time of the day.